Ready to start investing but don't have thousands lying around? Thinking face, and are you wondering if the popular spare change investing app, Acorns, is actually a smart move for you as a student or young adult? The truth is, for a lot of people just starting out, investing feels complicated, expensive, and intimidating. That's exactly where Acorns positions itself, as the easy button for beginner investors. The Acorns advantage: simplicity and automation. Acorns' core feature, the roundups, is undeniably brilliant for building an investing habit. Every time you buy a $4.50 coffee, Acorns automatically invests the 50 cents spare change. It's painless, it's passive, and it taps into the power of micro-investing. For young people struggling with tight budgets or inconsistent income, this automation is a huge pro. You're building a portfolio without even thinking about it. Acorns is also incredibly beginner-friendly. You answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance, and it recommends one of 5 diversified portfolios built with low-cost ETFs. No need to stress about picking individual stocks. Plus, here's a big win for college students. If you have a valid .edu email address, your Acorns account is often free for 4 years. That's 4 years of no management fees, which is a massive head start. The caveat: when fees start to bite. Now, for the reality check. The biggest drawback to Acorns, especially for those with small balances, is its flat monthly fee structure. Once your free student period is over, or if you're a young adult without that .edu email, you'll pay between $3 and $12 a month depending on the plan you choose. While a few dollars a month might not sound like much, if your account balance is only $100, a $3 fee means you're paying a huge 3% of your balance per month. That can easily wipe out or significantly cut into your investment returns. Compare that to other robo-advisors that charge a percentage of your assets, typically around 0.25% annually. On a $1,000 balance, that's just $2.50 per year. The flat fee model of Acorns only becomes cost-effective once your portfolio grows significantly. Who should use Acorns? So, is Acorns good for you? It's an excellent choice if you are a college student who can take advantage of the 4 years of free service, or if you are a complete beginner who needs the training wheels of the roundups feature to start building the habit of investing. Suboptimal investing is always better than no investing at all, and Acorns is designed to make that initial step incredibly easy. However, once your balance grows, or if you're a young adult who's already financially disciplined and looking to deposit larger amounts, you should consider alternatives that offer lower percentage-based fees or even free fractional share trading. Acorns is an awesome stepping stone, but don't let the ease of use make you ignore the fees once your account balances begin to grow. Your financial journey is just beginning, and being mindful of those costs is part of becoming a smart investor.